CVMC, ECE, Unit 2, Complex Integration, Lesson 2, Problem 6. Show that for every path between the limits integral -2 to -2 plus I 2 plus z whole square dz is equal to minus I by 3. Solution. Here in the given problem, there are two different paths. There are two different paths. Number 1, direct path, line integral along AB. Line integral along AB. Number 2, indirect path. Line integral along AOCB. Observe the diagram. Here -2 means point -2 0. -2 plus I means point -2 1. So -2 0, -2 1. This is direct path AB. Now automatically this point 0 0, this point 0 1. So the indirect path is along AOCB. So 3 line integrals along AO, 1 line integral along OC, another line integral along CB, third line integral. In direct path only 1 line integral is there. In indirect path summation of 3 line integrals I1, I2, I3. I1 plus I2 plus I3 is nothing but I. Along AB, I. We have to prove along AB, along AOCB, in both paths the value is minus I by 3. This is our problem. According to our problem, -2 to -2 plus I means z equal to -2 to 2, z equal to -2 plus I. So comparing we get 2 points, -2 0 to -2 1. That is direct path. Number 1, direct path. Number 1, direct path. Line integral along AB. Line integral along AB. Along AB, here x is -2, here x is -2. So x is equal to -2. Same value, same coordinate. Next, y varies from 0 to 1. Dx is equal to 0. Y varies from 0 to 1. 2 plus z is equal to 2 plus x plus iy. X is equal to minus 2. 2 minus 2 plus iy. 2 to cancel, we get iy. 2 plus z whole square. Iy whole square. I square is minus 1 minus y square. Z is equal to x plus iy. X is minus 2 plus iy. dz is equal to minus 2 derivative 0, I dy. I dy. Therefore, I is equal to integral minus 2 to minus 2 plus I, 2 plus z whole square dz is equal to actual value. Here 0 to 1, 2 plus z whole square value, that is minus y square, dz is I dy. So minus I integral y square is y cube by 3, 0 to 1, minus I 1 by 3 minus 0, minus I by 3. So line integral along AO, here y is a fixed coordinate, so y is equal to 0, x varies from minus 2 to 0. So indirect path, line integral along AOCB, 3 line integrals are there. So line integral along AO, y is equal to 0, so dy is equal to 0, x varies from minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0. So 2 plus z is equal to 2 plus x plus iy is equal to x y0. So 2 plus x y0, 2 plus x. So 2 plus z whole square is equal to 2 plus x whole square. Z is equal to x plus iy, y0, so x. So dz is equal to dx. dz is equal to dx. Therefore, I1 is equal to integral minus 2 to minus 2 plus I, 2 plus z whole square dz is equal to integral along AO 2 plus z whole square value 2 plus x whole square dz value dx limits minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0 is equal to x square model, x square integration x cube by 3, 2 plus x whole cube by 3 into x derivative 1, minus 2 to 0. Substituting 0 here, upper limit 0, 2 cube, 8 by 3 minus, substituting minus 2 minus plus 2 minus 2 cancel 0. We get 8 by 3. Number 2, line integral along OC. Line integral along OC, x is equal to 0, y varies from 0 to 1. X is equal to 0, dx is equal to 0, y varies from 0 to 1. 2 plus z is equal to 2 plus x plus iy, x 0, so 2 plus iy, 2 plus z whole square is equal to 2 plus iy whole square, z is equal to x plus iy, x 0, so iy, dz is equal to I dy, dz is equal to I dy, I2 is equal to integral 0 to 1 2 plus iy whole square I dy, I common it, x square model, 2 plus iy whole cube by 3, whole cube by 3 into iy derivative I, 0 to 1, I cancel. Substituting 1 here. 2 plus I whole cube by 3 upper limit minus 0. 2 cube by 3 8 by 3. Third one, line integral along CB. Along CB, here y is equal to 1. X varies from 0 to minus 2. According to arrow, we have to write limits. Arrow direction of the arrow. 0 to minus 2. Y is equal to 1. X varies from 0 to minus 2. X varies from 0 to minus 2. 2 plus z is equal to 2 plus x plus iy. Y is 1 here. 2 plus I plus x. 2 plus I plus x. 2 plus z whole square is equal to 2 plus I plus x whole square. Next, z is equal to x plus iy. X plus I. Y is 1. So, dz is equal to dx. I derivative 0. So, I3 is equal to integral 0 to minus 2 plus I plus x whole square. 2 plus z whole square. dz means dx. X square model. 2 plus ix. 2 plus I plus x whole cube by 3. Into x derivative 1. Need not write. 0 to minus 2. Upper limit, instead of x you write minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. I cube. I cube is minus I by 3. Minus, instead of x write 0. So we get 2 plus I whole cube by 3. Therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Your I1 is 8 by 3. I2 is 2 plus I whole cube by 3 minus 8 by 3. I3 is minus I by 3 minus 2 plus I whole cube by 3. So cancel minus I by 3. In indirect path also we get same value. Therefore, for every path between the limits, therefore for every path between the limits integral minus 2 plus I 2 plus z whole square dz is equal to minus I by 3. Hence proved. Problem 7. Evaluate integral over c x minus 2y dx plus y square minus x square dy, where c is the boundary of the first quadrant. First quadrant of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to 4. Solution. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Parametric equations are x is equal to 2 cos theta, y is equal to 2 sin theta, dx is equal to minus 2 sin theta d theta, dy is equal to 2 cos theta d theta, sin theta derivative cos theta, ఇక్కడ cos theta derivative minus sin 2 theta. First quadrant, circle first quadrant. So theta limits, theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now given value, we have to write given value in terms of theta. X minus 2y into dx plus y square minus x square dy is equal to x 2 cos theta minus 2y 4 sin theta dx minus 2 sin theta d theta plus y square 4 sin square theta minus x square 4 cos square theta into dy 2 cos theta d theta. Here sin theta derivative cos theta, so sin square theta by 2. Use values formula, n is 2 even number, n minus 1 by n, so 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Use already you know the values formula. Here sin theta derivative cos theta, so sin cube theta by theta 0 to pi by 2. Here use values formula, here n is 3 odd number, n minus 1 means 2 by 3 into 1. So we get minus 2 sin pi by 2 1 sin 0 0. So 1 minus 0 plus 4 2 pi. This is sin pi by 8 by 3. Sin pi by 2 1 minus sin 0 0 minus 16 by 3. Minus 16 by 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 8 by 3 minus 16 by 3 plus 2 pi is equal to 3 LCM minus 6 plus 8 minus 16 plus 2 pi is equal to 2 pi minus 14 by 3.